Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the device and confirming account details. If the speaker is frozen, unplug and wait 10 seconds. Otherwise, keep it powered so settings can clear. Make sure you know the Wi-Fi name and the Google account tied to the Nest Mini because the reset erases them. Once done, flip the unit and find the small factory reset button on the bottom center. This is the control you'll press and hold to trigger the full factory restore. Now you perform the reset. Press and hold the bottom button for about 10 seconds until the lights pulse and the assistant announces it's resetting. Use a paperclip or your fingertip and maintain steady pressure. Releasing too soon aborts the process. This step wipes local settings, disconnects Wi-Fi, and removes the device from your Google account, so make sure you have account access to re-add it later. Once the voice confirms, release and wait for the unit to fully. After the reboot, plug the Nest Mini back in and wait for the startup tones, then open the Google Home app to re-add the device. You'll select Wi-Fi, assign a room, and optionally set up voice match. This restores normal operation. If the app doesn't find the speaker, make sure your phone's Bluetooth and location are on, restart the app, and try again. If problems persist, perform another factory reset or reboot your router. Those steps resolve most connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.